Everybody, I just wanted to briefly look at the ASX or Ordinaries Gold for today. That's 9th of January 2017. It's another 2 hours until the ASX closes. But what we've got is currently we've got a downward trend in the gold miners. So what happened this morning is we gapped down, or we closed all the way down to there. Then we had a very strong surge upwards. Now you can see that I've drawn these downward trend lines. When we rallied back hard right up to this point, but it couldn't hold it, and we sold off again. Now we've tried again to get back into this trend line, and it's failed again. So what's happening is we're heading all the way back down to where we are now. So where we are now is actually where the gap up was a couple of days ago. And as you can see, because we're breaking past this resistance zone again, we might get a test over here. And finally, what you wouldn't want to stay in at, where you would want to get kicked out, is if gold on the ASX, the All Ordinaries Gold, the index, breaks below this level again. Because we tested it once and we had enough strength, everybody's buying the dip and they're buying up. But at the same time, going below this means that you would be heading back down to other resistance levels, which is round about here at 4,200 or again at 4,175. The difference between the last 2 days and the previous week is each day we've had this bull run and then an upward diagonal, and upward diagonal price movement. You can see that's kind of changed around. We've got this rally, but we're actually selling down, rallying up, but selling down. Now, interestingly, the volume on Friday in the last couple of minutes was 5 million plus. This morning the volume was 5 million plus. The rest of the days had low volume, but we've seen this persistent kind of, each time there's a rally, there's a sell-off, rally, sell-off. So keep your eye on this. I know that you've got your stop loss levels at the right places. At the same time, this would be a very good buying opportunity if we break these levels. If we could get back down maybe 100 or 200 points on the All Ordinaries, it would be a very good entry level for the next leg up. This is perfectly healthy. This is what happens during a rally. That'll happen many more times. But of course, you do want to preserve your gains. So I'm just making you aware that I can see that there is some volume selling going on, and we'll have to see how the day closes. If we break below here, we may get a larger volume of selling, which means that there's a good entry point at some stage to get back in to your shares if you've been sold out. Thanks.